Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we'll be making coated peanut. This is also called peanut burger, so let's get started. I'll be using peanut or groundnut. This is raw. I'll use an egg, some flour, powdered milk, some sugar and some salt. I'm going to start by blanching my peanuts. I'll add some salt to the peanuts and go ahead with hot water. I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to strain. I'll then go ahead and spread on a tray. I'm going to dry this in the sun for a few hours till it's well dried. In a bowl, I'll add my flour, powdered milk, and salt. I'll use a whisk to mix properly till everything is well mixed. In a separate bowl, I'll crack in an egg. I'll add my sugar and whisk properly. I'll whisk this properly till the sugar is well dissolved. For the list of measurements of everything I'm using, please check the description box. Our peanuts all dried now and it's time to coat. I'll first transfer my peanuts into a bowl. These are the ingredients for the coating. This is my blanched and well dried peanut. This is the egg and sugar mixture. You can add vanilla to this. And this is the flour mixture. I'll start by adding 1 tablespoon of the liquid mixture. Then I'm going to shake really well. You need to shake this up properly, really well. You want the egg to touch all of the peanuts. I'll then go ahead with 1 tablespoon of the flour mixture and also shake. It will be better if you use a bowl with a cover or a lid. That way you can shake properly without spilling the peanuts. I'll repeat the process again. I'll add the liquid, mix properly, shake. I'll then go ahead with the flour mixture and do the same. You're going to need to do this till you exhaust both the egg mixture and the flour mixture. So I'll add in the egg again, shake, mix. Then the flour mixture, I'll shake and mix properly till everything is well combined. Keep repeating the process till you exhaust all your liquid mixture and the flour mixture. You'll find that some of the coated peanuts are sticking together. Use your hands and separate them, otherwise when fried it will come out this way, all joined together. So just separate them. I'll just throw in 1 coated peanut into the oil to see if the oil is hot enough. Well, it's hot enough and it's time to fry. You'll need to fry these on low to medium heat for about 5 minutes or till it turns brown. Make sure you are not using high heat, otherwise it might get burnt really quickly. It's all ready now. I'll take it all out of the oil. It was so crunchy. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.